Golf advice for beginners and pros alike. Golf is a sport that is commonly played by many people worldwide. Golf is different than most sports because the rules require winners of the game to have the lowest score among their competitors. Golf can be played by anyone, as long as they have a ball and a set of clubs to hit it with. If you want to play golf, then the advice in this video will help you. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to remember to tip your caddy if you are playing at a course that provides one. This is important because they are waiting on you much like a waiter and may only receive minimal hourly pay from the course manager. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to always be aware of your surroundings. This will be beneficial to your safety and also to those around you. This applies to anything from the wildlife that is common to the area you are in to your skill level of playing. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you do not even attempt to play a round of golf on a course until you are at least competent at hitting the ball. This is important because you will save yourself much frustration and embarrassment by doing so. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure you always relax yourself before each shot, by taking in a deep breath of 4 counts and exhaling slowly, over the course of counting to 4. This is one of the best ways you can calm yourself before addressing the ball. As stated before, golf is commonly played by many people around the world. The rules of golf require winners to have the lowest score among players, making golf a different game than other sports. Provided that you have a ball and clubs, you can play golf. If you remember the advice from this video, then you should be able to play golf. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.